I was so sad to hear that Jamie, a man with autism who lives in a long-term care facility, has actually just tested positive for COVID-19 along with 61 other residents who are part of that facility. And one of the unfortunate things that I learned about from a story that I'll share in the comments is that the mom has not been able to see Jamie for over 2 months since they restricted visitor access in lieu of the COVID-19 crisis. And I wanted to bring attention to this story because this is something that I've been seeing a lot in the news, especially with long-term care facilities having to go through these obstacles, not only having the high cases of COVID-19, but also seeing how so many families have not been able to be with their loved ones. I honestly was thinking about just how I would feel if I was in a situation where I wasn't able to see my mom and dad for over 2 months. And it's so heartbreaking. We live in a time in our society where there's so much uncertainty. And growing up with autism, there was a lot of uncertainty of what my future was going to look like. And honestly, from a federal level, one thing that I would love to see is for us to support these facilities as much as we can and make sure that they don't fall under the radar. Because especially for our community, for individuals who have truly significant challenges, who really rely on these facilities to live the best quality of life possible for them, I really hope we as a community can stand by them. We could push from a grassroots level to make sure that they're receiving the funding and supports truly possible to make their lives as easy as humanly possible. Jamie Degner is from Waterloo, Iowa. The facility is the Harmony House. And I truly just want to say, first and foremost, that I really just hope for the best for all of these individuals at this time. My prayers and thoughts are to all the families who are dealing with this, but also my prayers and thoughts are for everyone right now who is currently struggling through this COVID-19 crisis. When I was thinking about this story that I read today, it's just speechless because I even know families who have loved ones in similar situations right now. And as much as we talk about some individuals having routine changes, I just keep thinking about the struggles that some of these individuals are having to go through right now. And I hope that we could come to a new, or at least as much of normal in the future as humanly possible for our loved ones.